Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots. Today in this video, we're going to be going over our checkout features and the sales screen in general. To get started, to access the checkout screen, we can either from the home menu press on the sale button, or we can go to the sales screen and press on this floating button down here. Now, from our checkout screen, on the left-hand side, we're going to have our products and categories to choose from to add different details to the sale. If we're going to be adding products, we can find those products here, search them by either their name, SKU, barcode, or short title description. We can also scan the barcode using this scan right here to automatically open the camera and scan a QR code for one of these products. We can also add any amount of repairs, orders, unlocks, devices, or prepaids to our sale. Let's go ahead and add a couple inventory products. We can modify the quantities here on the right-hand side. And if we want to remove any of these items, we can delete them using this icon here. We can also modify the price of these items by selecting them. And we can update the price here. We can also mark the item whether or not it's taxable. Next, if we wanted to be adding an item to the sale that's not necessarily an item from inventory, we can quickly create an item here. We have two different options. Either we can use a quick add, or we can create a new inventory item on the fly at this checkout screen. Once you fill in the product name, the price, and the cost for you as a business, and mark it whether or not it's taxable, you can create this item and add it to checkout. We can also add a buyback and select the customer that buyback will be tied to. And this way we can purchase devices from customers coming to our store. I recommend checking out our videos on buybacks and device management to get more information on this. All right, once our checkout is ready, we can continue to payment. Now, here on our payment screen, we'll have all the sale overview on the left-hand side with the amount that's owed. We'll have the customer that this is tied to, and we can change the customer as well. So if we want to link a different customer to the sale, we can go ahead and search for that customer and select them. If we need to make any further modifications to the items in the sale, we can still press on the items and modify them. On the right-hand side, we'll be able to first add a tip to the sale, which will prompt the add tip selection for the customer. You can present the screen to the customer on your side, have them select a tip amount, and sign away their tip. Once the customer signs, we can proceed with the tip or change the tip amount. And we leave this little message for the customer. We'll see the tip amount in the bottom left being added to the sale. We can also add any discounts or any recommended products that might be necessary as well. So if you have any promotions or offers that you would like your employees to be using, you can always add them as recommended products here so that they're always reminded when making the sale to recommend these products. We can also add a note to the sale, so anything that might be important to keep track of or remember for the sale, we can go ahead and add. We'll select the payment method that we're going to be using for this transaction. Could be any cash amount. We automatically recommend the closest cash amounts to what's being used. We could have other, such as check, PayPal, or something like Venmo or Cash App. In card, we could be using debit cards or credit cards. And then we can also make a split payment and choose from the various options to make the split payment. Let's go ahead and make this cash transaction. And then we have from these three options to choose from. Either to start creating a new sale, view the sale we just created, or to print any related information for the sale. Now we can go back to our sales screen and see the newly created transaction. I hope this helped you understand how to be making sales within RepairSpots. Take care.